In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki page for your team in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a central, easy to update hub your whole team can rely on for processes, policies, and shared knowledge. First, open ClickUp and head into the workspace where your team collaborates. From the main interface, look to the left sidebar and open the More menu. This expands additional options that aren't always visible by default, and it's where you'll find the documentation tools we need. Next, select Docs. This takes you to ClickUp's built-in document center, which is perfect for wikis because it supports rich text, collaboration, and permissions all in one place. Once you're here, click New Doc. Think of this as creating the home page for your team's knowledge base. A clean start helps you structure things properly from the beginning. Give your document a clear, recognizable title. Name it Team Wiki. Adding a short description at the top is helpful too. In a sentence or two, explain the purpose of the wiki and what kind of information belongs here. This context sets expectations and encourages teammates to contribute consistently. Now start typing in the body. Lay out the foundation with simple, scannable sections. Common sections include an overview, team norms, recurring processes, useful tools and links, and frequently asked questions. Use headings for structure, short paragraphs for clarity, and formatting like bold or italics sparingly to highlight key terms. Checklists work well for step-by-step procedures, and callouts can draw attention to important cautions or best practices. If your team uses tasks heavily, paste task links directly into relevant sections so readers can jump from guidance to action. When your initial outline looks good, it's time to share. Click Share in the top right. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the wiki and what they can do with it. In the search field, start typing a teammate's name or their work email to locate the right person or group. Before sending, choose the appropriate permission level. View only is great for reference, while edit access is best for collaborators who will maintain the content. Finally, click Invite. Your teammates will now have access and your wiki is live. As you use it, keep it evergreen. Update the pages when processes change, archive outdated sections, and add examples where people commonly get stuck. Consider appointing an owner to review content periodically so your team wiki remains accurate, trustworthy, and easy to navigate. That's it. Your ClickUp wiki is ready to support your team's day-to-day work.